This.
Circumference is 154.
Yes, ma'am.
2 pi is 22 upon 7. Radius value you have to find.
Yes, ma'am.
Then radius equals to 154 into 7. Cross multiply. This 7 will go to the numerator and 2 into 22 1 will be the denominator. I have reduced it by the 2. 11 2s are. 11 banja, 11 4s are. Okay. So this is coming 2 and this is 14. Then I have reduced it to 7 ja 14. So 7 7 ja 49 upon 2 is coming. Why it is 28? 88.
Because I
See where is
did
the
by
mistake?
2. For the radius, I did by 2. This 154 by 2. Because I was not knowing this formula, this process.
Your formula, you know that C equals to 2 pi r.
Yes, ma'am.
C value you kept 154. 2
Yes,
as it is 22 upon 7 into r. This is in denominator. When you are bringing to the other side, it will come in the numerator. Multiply. You know, whenever we bring the things to the another side, the sign will be changed. Divide will be multiply, multiply will be divide, plus will be minus, and minus will be plus. This you know or not? When you are taking to other side, this 7 you are taking to other side. You are bringing to left side. Jishan, look here. This 7 you are bringing to the left side. So this is in division only. When it will come to the left side, then it will be in multiply. 154 into 7. This 2 into 22 divided by this 2 into 22. जो multiply होता है, that will be divide, and which will be the divide, that will be the multiply.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can reduce either by the 2, and directly I have done by the 11. 11 to the end. So this is coming 49 upon 2. Radius is coming 49 upon 2, which you can divide by the 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 24.5 meter is the radius. And after that, I think the area also you can find.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the formula for the area?
Area. Wait. For this area, it's area equals to uh pi into pi r square.
Pi r square. So you can put the value. (24.5) divided by 7. I have reduced it. 7 3s are 21. This is coming 3.5. Now you have to multiply. 22 into 3.5 into 24.5. Calculation you have to do because you have the problem in the calculation. First you do yourself. After that I will tell. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose this is a circle and this shape you have to take the this rope. That means outside of it. That means circumference you have to find.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you find the circumference?
Yes.
What is given there in the circumference?
C equals to 2 pi r.
C equals to 2 pi r. And I think in this question, radius is given or the diameter is given.
Diameter.
So diameter is how much?
This diameter is 21.
21 meter or centimeter?
21 meter.
Meter. So you can find the radius. How can you find the radius?
21 by 2. It's 1.5.
What is the answer? That is not 1.5, 10.5. Divide 21 by 2. Twenty-one divided by 2. What is the answer? What is the answer?
This
21 divided by
10.5. 10.5.
10.5. Yes. I think again you were confused in the calculation. This is 2 1 jet 2. Here you have to write 1, which is smaller than 2. So you know that what you have to write? You have to write the 0, then put the point there and write here 0. 2 5s are 10. So this will be 10.5.
Okay.
Okay. Find the
Yes, sir.
circumference. Circumference you can find.
Ma'am, it's 6.60 meter.
6.60.
Yes, sir.
But I think this is not the centimeter. This is already given in meter.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is coming, I think the 66 meter is coming. My answer is coming 66. You see where is the problem? Why your is coming 6.6? 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5.
Yes, ma'am.
So as
One.
I reduce by 7, it is coming 1.5.
Yes, ma'am.
1.5 multiply by 2, it is coming 3. 3 into 22, that is 66, not 6.6.
Okay.
You see where is the mistake?
Like, ma'am, Ma'am, I do like 44 into 1.5.
So by the 44 into 1.5, if you will multiply, then answer will be 66.
But there's points, so I wrote point.
44 into 1.5.
This one.
So directly I will multiply by 15. Okay? 15 for the 60. 15 for the 60 and this is 66. Because 1 point is there. So here I have to put there. This is coming 66.
Okay.
After the decimal, one digit is there only.
Okay. Okay. This one. 66 meter.
66. How many rounds? Not one. This is of one round only. How many rounds of the rope?
2.
2. So can you find the total circumference?
This one.
One round is 66. One round
Yeah.
is 66. Two round of the rope we are taking. 166 and another 66. So total will be how much?
132.
132. Cost of 1 meter is how much?
1 meter is 4 rupees.
Rupees 4. So can you find the cost of 132 meter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Solve it and tell me the answer.
528 rupees.
528 rupees. Correct. Correct. Okay, the calculation is, you have to do the practice of the calculation. Only you're confused in the calculation. Simple calculation, you're confused.
Okay.
Okay? So whenever you solve at the home, this concept is clear to you, but there's a problem in the calculation. Okay? So for this question also, you have to do the calculation again at the home. You can write this question number. So whenever you will get the time, if you will get the time, then the calculation only you have to do.
Okay.
Okay. Read the next question.
A fifth one. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet.
Yes. Question is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Almost.
You understood the question or not?
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Here, as you will see, this circular sheet is given. And what is the radius of the circular sheet? How much is that?
Radius 4. What's that? 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Okay? This is the bigger one. But there you will see the one more circular sheet is also there, which is removed from this one. That means from here, it is removed. And what is the diameter of that?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. What do you have to find?
Area.
Area. You know that how can we find? Here the two radius are given. So we know the formula is a pi r square, but the two radius are given. So you know that what is the formula? Pi, we can write here the capital R square minus small r square. Capital R means this is the bigger one. Small r means the smaller one.
Okay.
There are the two methods. I will tell the two methods. One method is that you can find the area of this bigger one, pi r square. Then you have to find the area of the smaller one. Then you can subtract. Or directly also you can do. What is the formula? The same formula is there, but you can write in the part. Pi, capital R, which is the bigger one, and the small r, which is the smaller one.
Okay.
Okay. This is 22 upon 7. Capital R is how much? 4 square. Radius square is 3 square. So can you solve this one? 4 square means 16. 3 square means 9. It is 22 upon 7 into 9 and this is 7. 7 and 7 is cancelled. So how much area? That is 22 centimeter.
Wait, ma'am. How do you do this
Here
last one?
the question.
Last one.
Last one, 22 upon 7. 16 minus 9. What is the answer? 16 minus 9, that is 7. 7 and 7. This is numerator, this is denominator. We can remove it. We can cancel. What is left? Only 22 is left.
Okay.
Numerator and denominator can be cancelled. Yeah, it can be reduced.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Note down this question. For this question, it is written that pi you have to take 3.14. Don't take 22 upon 7.
Okay, ma'am.
So instead of 22 upon 7, you have to calculate by the 3.14. I have solved by 22 upon 7, but you have to use 3.14.
Okay, the
Okay,
answer
Dishan?
is 3.14, right?
3.14 you have to take.
Yeah, the answer is 3.14, right?
Not 3.14. 3.14 is not the answer. You have to solve that. 3.14 into instead of 22 upon 7, here you have to write the 3.14. Otherwise, the same other things are the same.
Okay.
Instead of 22 upon 7, you have to write the 3.14 because that is given in the question.
Okay, ma'am. The answer is also 3.14, right?
Answer is not 3.14. 3.14 multiplied by 7.
Okay. Like, ma'am, 219.8.
3.14 and when you solve this bracket, that is coming 7.
Okay.
Okay, so 3.14 into 7.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 219.8. Yes, 8.
This is coming 21.98. 3.14 multiplied by 7.
Okay, okay. 2 digit. Okay, all right. Okay, ma'am. 21.98.
So this is clear. Pi is 3.14. 3.14 and this is 4. Don't write this. This is 4 square minus 3 square. 4 square means 16. 3 square means 9. So 16 minus 7, this is 7 and this is 3.14. So this is 3.14 into 7. As you will multiply, what is the answer? This is coming 21.98.
Okay.
So clear the formula when the two radius are given, which are inside. One is the bigger one is a smaller one inside. Then you can write this formula.
Okay.
Capital R for the bigger radius, small r is the smaller radius. Clear, Jishan?
Yes, ma'am.
This question is clear or not?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear. Okay. The calculation is also clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now read the next one.
Saima, Saima, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost. If 1 meter of the lace costs uh, this, rupees 15, take pi
Yes.
equals to 3.14.
Again, 3.14 you have to use.
Yes,
And
sir.
clear the question?
Uh, not
Not clear.
yeah.
Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of the circular table. Suppose this is in the circular shape. Circular shape means the round shape. Okay,
Okay.
this is not round shape, but you can imagine this is a circular shape. On this, by the lid, I can show by this. Suppose, okay, this is the circular shape.
Okay.
Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover with the diameter. The diameter is how much? Diameter is how much?
Diameter is what? Wait. Where's the diameter is 1.5 meter.
1.5. So, but diameter we can't use. So, what do you have to take? Total diameter is 1.5 meter. But what we have to take?
1.5
We have to take the
by 2.
radius.
1.5 by 2.
1.5 divided by 2. What is the answer?
Wait. 1.12 something.
Not correct. Do again. 1.5 divided by 2. Calculate again.
So, 7. Ah, 7.5.
Not 7.5. See here. This is 1.5 divided by 2. 1 is smaller than 2. We can't divide. So put here 0, then put the point. Now 2 7 ja 14. 1 is remainder, put here 0. 2 5 ja 0.75.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing I will tell you. This is 1.5. Jishan, look here. Remove the decimal from the numerator, then put here the 0. Then 15 3s are 15 4s are. And 3 divided by 4. By this also you can divide. Same answer you will get. 3 divided by 4. 3 is smaller than the 4, so put here the point and write here 0. 4 7s are 28. Write here 2. Put here 0. 2 5s are. So answer is 0.75. 0.75. Okay.
Okay.
How much length you have to take? That means what you have to find?
Length of
Around that.
length. Okay. What?
Yes. You have to use the less around that. Around that. Around that means what you have to find?
Length.
Length. Length means
Circumference.
circumference or area?
Circumference.
Circumference. Very good. Circumference you can find. What is the form of the circumference?
Circumference 2 pi r.
2 pi r. Can you find the value of C?
Okay, I can.
But pi value you have to take 3.14.
Okay, all right. Okay, ma'am. For radius, we should took this 0.75.
0.75.
Okay.
Pi value 3.14.
Ma'am, 471.
Now you have to put the decimal also. Decimal is also there.
Okay,
3.14.75. So decimal is also there.
okay, 47.10.
No, again it is wrong.
471.0.
No, no, calculate again.
Okay.
I will tell the one. Your answer is correct, but as you put the decimal, that is wrong. Your multiply is coming 4710,
Yes, ma'am.
but decimal, how many decimals are there?
2.
2 or 4? 3.142 are there. 0.752 are there. So total will be how much?
3. 4.710.
Yes, 4.710. 4 are there. Four point seven one zero. Now you can find the cost. One more thing, easy thing I will tell you. Don't multiply this 2 into 3.14. Dishan, look here. 0.75 first you can multiply by 2.
Yes, ma'am. I did write
0.7.
that on. I put a
You're done?
1.5.
Okay. 1.5 then into 3.14.
Yes, yes.
So as you will multiply, actually the direct I have done. Na? Here 314 divided by multiply by 15. Directly I have done. This is coming 4,710. And after the decimal, here the 1 and 1, 2. 3 are there, 1, 2, 3. So answer is coming 4.710.
Okay, okay.
Now the 1 meter cost is given how much?
1 meter, it's 50 rupees.
Rupees 50. So you can find the cost of 1.71.
Uh,
71? Yes.
4.71.
4.71.
Okay, we should not take this 0.
0 you can take, but there is no value of it.
Okay.
You can take, no problem.
Uh, Ma'am, 70.650.
Yes, 70.650 because there is no any value of 0. Na?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
for 65 paisa is there, so no need to write 650 paisa. Don't write that. So this is 60.65 only.
Okay.
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 Question is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question you read and then you have to tell. I will not tell. You have to explain me. Next question.
Next question. We find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle, including its diameter. Okay, ma'am.
You have to find the perimeter of it. How can you find? Which type of figure is given?
We should do this circumference 2 pi r. The r is 5. The radius is 5,
Yes, radius is 5.
and we should do like into half, something like that.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so can I do this?
Yes, do.
Ma'am, 55?
55. How the 55 is coming?
Okay, 110.
110 and upon 7 is also there. No?
Okay. Okay, 110. Ma'am, 31.4.
How you are doing?
Wait, ma'am. 31.4 by 2.
I think this is 2 pi r. This is semicircle 2 pi r divided by 2. That
Uh,
means pi r.
yes, ma'am.
And pi
50
value you have
is
taken as 22 upon 7 or the that 3.14.
what, ma'am? I
You
took
use
22 by 7.
22 by 7 into 5. So as you will multiply 110 divided by 7.
Okay.
You see your calculation?
Ma'am, 75.8.
70, 110 divided by 7, I think it is coming 15.7.
Oh,
Or you have divided. Now
okay.
see,
Yes, ma'am.
110 divided by 7, you see where is your mistake?
15 points. Okay. Yes, ma'am. 15 points.
110 divided by 7. So 7 1 is 7, remainder 4. Put there
Okay.
0, 7 5 is 35.
I got it, ma'am.
Just a minute, just a minute. This side, left side. But that is not correct. Not a one. This is 110, not 200. You have written, I think, the 220 you have written.
Oh,
22 multiplied by 5.
22, 100.
22 multiplied by 5, this is 110.
Okay.
See my calculation? You see, where are you? Where is your mistake? You check. 22 into 5, that is 110. 110 divided by 7.
Ma'am, like I did like a 2 into with 22.
But not 2, because this is semicircle. Formula is 2 pi r. Semicircle means the half of it. So divided by 2.
Okay, okay.
2 pi is the formula for the whole circle. But this is the half only. This is the half only. So 2 pi r divided by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So only pi r is left. Semicircle circumference is pi r only.
Okay.
Pi value is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r 5. So 22 into 5, that is 110 divided by 7. 110 divided by 7. So as you will solve, this is coming 15.7. Okay, but you have to find the perimeter of it. This is the circumference of this part only, and this 10 meter is also there. So you have to add 15.7 plus 10 total. Total you will start from here. You will start to walk, going to this side, then coming to here, then moving to this side. So this 10 meter also you have to add. So what is the answer? Answer is coming 25.7 meter.
Okay.
Calculation is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. It's good.
Only there is a mistake in your calculation only. I think the concept is clear to you, but there is a little problem in the calculation.
No, ma'am, I didn't remove that 2.
Okay, okay, okay. Hey, but you that you have to see, no? That is semicircle or the circle is there. Circle means the bigger one, the whole. Semi means the half of that. Half means that divided by 2. So 2 pi r for the whole one divided by 2. So this will be cancelled. So what is the formula? Pi r. Pi value is how much? 22 upon 7. Radius is how much? 5. So numerator multiply divided by 7. So this is coming 15.7.
Okay.
Total perimeter of this figure we have to find. We will start. Perimeter means we will start to walk from here. What is the circumference? That is coming 15.7. But we are coming to this road also. This is also. How much is that? That is 10 meters. So this 10 also you have to add. Clear
Okay.
one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now read the next one.
Uh, Find the cost of the polishing a circular table.
Polishing a circular table.
Yes, polishing a circular table top of a diameter 1.6 meter. If the rate of polishing is 15 square meter, 15 by square meter, take
15 per
pi
square meter.
take pi equals to 3.14.
Yes. Here, what is the cost? Cost of polishing is how much?
Cost of polishing it's 15 by square meter.
15 per square meter. Per square meter means what is it? This is area. That means you know what we have to find. We have to find the area. Whenever the square meter is given, that means we have to find the area. Simple meter is given, that means we have to find the circumference.
Okay.
Clear the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you find the area of this figure? Can you find the area? What is the formula of area?
Area equals to pi r square.
Yes. Pi you have to take as a 3.14. Radius is how much?
Radius is 0.3.
Radius is 0.3. Why is that 0.3?
Okay, wait, let me do. Ma'am, 0.8.
0.8. Correct. Correct. Now you can put in the formula.
Okay. 0.8. Ma'am, 2.198.
2.198. But
Okay.
my is coming, I think, 2.0096.
Wait, let me do again. Ma'am, now it's like 5.024.
This is 3.14 and this is 0.64. So I have multiplied 314 to 64. As we are solving it, this is coming 20,096, 20096. Now we have to put the decimal. After the 3, 2 are here, and here also the 2 are there. So total will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is coming 2.0096.
Wait, ma'am, how did you got that 64?
8 8 the 0.8 into 0.8.
Okay.
8 8 the 64. 8 8 the 64. Table you know or not? 8
Yeah, I
tables.
know. Yeah, I
Yes.
know.
8 8 the 64. Here the one decimal. That means it will be 3.14 into 0.64. Okay. Then I have not put the decimal. In last I have put the decimal. 314 multiplied by 64. This is coming 20096. Now you have to put the decimal also. After the 3 there is the 2 decimal, 2 digit. After the decimal here the 2. So total are 4 digits. So from here you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal. This is coming 2.0096.
Ma'am, like I took like this 0.8, right?
0.8, yes.
Okay, by mistakenly I took this 1.6.
Not 1.6.
No, I got
Okay. Now the cost of 1 square meter is rupees 15.
rupees
Rupees 15.
15. Okay.
1 5.
Okay.
So you have to find the cost of 2.0096.
4.0096.
I will just wait for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.